Hello friends and welcome to my electronics channel once again. In today's video we are going to show you how we can program an LED in Arduino to display a breathing light by leveraging the power of PWM or a pulse width modulation PWM wave to show the increase and the decrease of the intensity of an LED or the brightness of an LED at a certain time interval. Okay. So what are the components that we need for this program? So we need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, one USB cable, a couple of LEDs of any color, two pieces of 220 ohms resistor, and a few jumper cables. Okay. So let's see the circuits, the schematic diagram. So because this is a pretty simple circuit, we are going to use two LEDs of two different colors. So although it is like showing over like red over here in this circuit, I have used one red and one blue LED, and they're connected to the pins uh, like 9 and 11 in our circuit, and with the help of 220 ohms resistor each, these LEDs are connected to the ground. Okay, so I hope friends you will be able to create a circuit like this with the help of these components. Okay, now so let us quickly go to the Arduino program. So as you can see here, I have used the pins 9 and 11 to connect two LEDs. One is the blue, other is the red one. I have instantiated these LED pins as an output pin in the setup program. So inside the loop, I am using one function called breathe, which takes the LED pin number as the input as well as the delay in milliseconds. Okay, so what I'll do over here is so in this program I will be leveraging this analog write method of an Arduino to map the duty cycle of a PWM wave with the intensity or the brightness of the LED. So which means, so whenever I'm changing the duty cycle from 0 to 100, the brightness of the LED increase from dark to completely bright, and then whenever I will be decreasing the duty cycle of this PWM wave from 100 to say 0 degree again, the brightness will be decreased from extremely bright, which is 255, to 0, which is completely dark. And so these two phenomenon will happen uh, so at an like, interval of 3 milliseconds. So I mean, like, each of these statements, these analog write statements, or the mapping of this, the duty cycle of the PWM wave to the brightness of the LED will happen at an interval of 3 milliseconds. So I have done this repetitively for two pins or two LEDs, which is connected to the pins 9 and 11. So the breathe, the LED pin 1 will raise the brightness of the red LED from dark to bright, so in a smooth way. So that is why we have this delay. And similarly, whenever I call the breathe on the second pin, the same thing will happen. Okay. So once we run this program, we can see it will be something like a breathe in and breathe out. So a smooth transition of the LED from darkness to 200% brightness, and then again coming back from the brightness to absolute dark. Okay, so let's see how the working video looks like. So this is a working video of this LED smooth breathing light. So as you can see here, I have used one USB power bank to provide the 5 volt the DC power supply directly into this Arduino microcontroller, and I have the blue and the red LED connected to the pins 9 and 11 of the Arduino microcontroller, and they are connected to the ground with the help of the 220 ohms resistor, as you can see from this breadboard. So based on, so whenever I run this program, so as you can see, the blue and the red LEDs, they are blinking at a smooth interval of
500 milliseconds gap, and the brightness and the intensity of these LEDs are gradually like increasing till the maximum value, and then gradually they are like coming down from the max 255 to 0. So this is how the duty cycle, the PWM duty cycle, pulse width modulation, is changing from 0 to 100% and then from 100% to 0. So with the help of these circuit, we can do like any kind of like industrial automation which needs to show a smooth blinking kind of this LED breathe in and breathe out. Okay.
So friends, if you liked this video and found it useful for your electronics learning, please hit like and subscribe to my channel and provide support and encouragement. Thanks so much for watching.